Hi kids, how are you? Today we are going to learn numbers 1 to 20. Okay, let's introduce the color bottles. These are all the color bottles. Okay, sky blue color, brown color, light yellow color, cream yellow color, light green color, black color, orange color, cream color, blue color, and finally red color. Okay, let's draw the numbers. Orange color 1, O-N-E 1. Red color 2, T-W-O 2. Three, yellow color 3, T-H-R-E 3. Yellow color 4, F-O-U-R 4. Cream color F-I-V-E 5. Blue color S-I-X 6. Black color S-E-V-E-N 7. Light green color 8, E-I-G-H-T 8. And orange color 9, N-I-N-E 9. Sky blue color 10, T-E-N 10. Yellow color E-L-E-V-E-N 11. Cream color 12. Orange color 13. Brown color 14. Light yellow color 15. Blue color 16. Sky blue color 17. Black color 18. Light green color 19. Cream color 20. Okay, let's learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, bye kids.